remains consistently true. Foundations take time, but they never fall. Slow is smooth when you're building tall. The tortoise understood what the rabbit missed. Consistency beats speed when it comes to this. Marathon runners know it in their bones. Slow is smooth when you're going the distance home. Speed is just illusion when there's no direction clear. Smooth is the solution when you master every gear. Rushing leads to errors, errors lead to pain. Smooth becomes a terror that your rivals can't contain. Watch the sniper waiting for the perfect shot. He's not rushing anything, controlled is what he's got. See the surgeon's steady hand, precise and sure. Slow is smooth, that's how you find the cure. The greatest athletes practice every single move until it's second nature, fluid in the groove. Muscle memory built on repetition's ground. Slow is smooth, that's how perfection's found. Take your time, feel the flow. Let the process teach you what you need to know. Every master started here before. Slow is smooth and smooth is so much more. Trust the process, trust the way. Rome wasn't built in just one day. Excellence requires you to stay. Slow is smooth, don't let it slip away. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Build it right and it will last. Rush the journey, you will crash. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Breathe it in and take your time. Every step is by design. Quality over speed at last. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. Slow is smooth, watch me rise. Steady hands and focused eyes. No more running past the prize. Slow is smooth, that's how you fly. In the kitchen, chefs know every technique right. Russian ruins dishes, patience makes them bright. In the dojo, masters move like flowing water. Slow is smooth, that's what they've taught her. Writers drafting stories, word by careful word. Artists painting visions, every brushstroke heard. Builders laying bricks with level and with care. Slow is smooth, excellence is everywhere. When you're learning something new, don't skip the fundamentals. Master every basic move, that's monumental. Speed will come naturally when skill is in your hand. Slow is smooth, that's how you take command. The pressure whispers hurry, but the wise know better. Smooth creates the perfect letter in communication, business, love, and war. Slow is smooth, opens every door. Fast is fragile, breaks under the pressure. Smooth is strong, built to last forever. Speed without control is just commotion. Smooth is fast when it's the right motion. They see you moving slowly, think you're falling behind, but you're building something they will never find. A fortress of precision, a castle of skill. Slow is smooth, unbreakable will. Take your time, feel the flow. Let the process teach you what you need to know. Every master started here before. Slow is smooth and smooth is so much more. This is how legends really come alive. This is how the greatest ones survive. Slow is smooth and smooth is fast. I walk inside without my armor, without a name. Every morning I am born inside the same. Don't fight it, don't run, just breathe and let go. Surrender to the silence, become what you know. Ice cathedral, take me in, wash away the man I've been. Ice cathedral, hear my prayer. I am rising in the air, falling deeper, breathing higher. Frozen water, sacred fire. Ice is how. There's a peace that only finds you in the deep, where the noise of all the world has fallen asleep, and the version of myself I almost lost comes alive in every drop, in every cost. Don't fight it, don't run, just breathe and let go. Surrender to the silence, become what you know. Ice cathedral, take me in, wash away the man I've been. Ice cathedral, hear my prayer. I am rising in the air, falling deeper, breathing higher. Frozen water, sacred fire. Ice cathedral, hold me now. This is how. This is how. I spent decades running from the things that hurt, building up the comfort while my soul was buried in the dirt. But the water doesn't lie, and water doesn't fake. Every single morning is the truth I have to take. Don't fight it, don't run, just breathe and let go. Surrender to the silence, become what you know. Ice cathedral, take me in, wash away the man I've been. Ice cathedral, hear my prayer. I am rising in the air, falling deeper, breathing higher. Frozen water, sacred fire. Ice cathedral, hold me now. This is how. I used to think the cold was just the cold, a thing to conquer, a thing to scold. But the cold became a mirror, the cold became a friend, the cold became the place where every story has to end. And I rise, and I rise, and I rise through the water, through the silence, through the sky. Now I see the gift inside, the freezing